So now, I don't really know what to say too much. We have two series LEDs there. You can see only that one's lit up. The thing is, current's flowing through that LED. To add to that, we don't have enough voltage to really light two series green LEDs. They need about 6 volts. I have 5 volts at the SPI. This is actually a voltage doubler circuit which raises the voltage, but I have to manually push a button to do that, and I'm not doing that. And so that tells me that this LED is a short right there. It's passing current. Now, there could be a problem with the board where it's not the LED passing current, but there, if I yank the LED in series from that one, it turns off right there. And again, I grabbed a different LED, and I made this little baggie here to store that special LED there. They're both off because there's not enough voltage to light them. That one is not shorted. So now, I put the shorted LED back, and for those that are watching the shorts, this LED is passing current through that one. We don't even have enough voltage to light them. This is a voltage doubler circuit, but I have to press a button to double the voltage. I'm not doing so. I have to press it repeatedly, and this is just passing the voltage and current to that one. We have enough resistance there to protect one from even double the voltage. But in any case, LEDs and other diodes are not supposed to short. I have heard of that happening, but it being really rare, and I appear to have one with that. Now, if I boost the voltage, it appears to light up and start working semi-normally. So I'm not going to do that yet. But yeah, LEDs and other diodes are not made like capacitors. Capacitors have two conductive areas with a thin insulation in between them. That insulation can go bad, or those two conductive areas come into contact, and then it becomes like a short. But LEDs and other diodes are not like that. This should not be happening. So now, I previously talked about that shorted LED. It's passing current into that LED. Neither one of them should even be lit now. Maybe just a slight glow. Now, I'm going to double the voltage almost. Now, it's lit up, as you can see there. So, that's why I waited to do this for so long, if you were watching my other shorts or the full video. But in case, there you can see. Now they're fading down. So, this happened earlier. Now it's acting like it's not a shorted LED. I'm going to make sure I put it in this bag. It looks like it's a little dimmer than that one, but it could just be because of the angle I got that. But in any case, now it's kind of acting like a normal LED right there. But it did that earlier, so I don't know what I ended up doing to bring back its shorted properties. So yeah, it's an interesting LED. LEDs should not ever short. So that's why I find it most interesting. Now it looks like the brighter one. But in any case, let's move on. So now, I'm going to end this series of shorts with demonstrating what this circuit does. So this is a normal LED. It's not the one that I had shorted, which is actually acting like a normal LED right now. But in any case, there you can see, we need a higher voltage to get these two LEDs to light up than what normally we have when I'm not pressing that button briefly. I put the one that is shorted sometimes into that bag. Again, it's kind of acting normal right now. So, it did that after I gave one pulse. It did that earlier as well. I didn't know if I get to act shorted again, but I was. So I made the previous short and previous part of the video. But in case, yeah, we got 5 volts there. And current was flowing through the two LEDs. Even though you should need 6 volts, that one was not producing any light though. That tells me it was a short. That one was lit up when it shouldn't even be lit up because we don't have enough voltage. So again, that tells me that was short, but that was lighting up normally. We do have a 1K resistor there, so even at higher voltages, everything would be safe.